Hey, not Bill Pullman.
Hey, what's this?
Right, so this is a very cool bone conducting sports headphone called Purra Flow from a company called Mojawa, yeah?
Cool.
So this comes with a Maglev Bass and real-time heart-guided technology, a personalized AI fitness insight, so it's going to give you a voice guiding you and so on. That's going to be quite cool. 15 hours of music and calls, 32 gigabytes of high-speed MP3 storage, which means you don't need your phone. You can store everything in here, listen to it, and do the sports workout. And it's actually IP68 swimming waterproof as well, so you can literally swim with this wearing it as well.
Awesome.
So I actually looked at the Maglev Bass technology, and this is something that Mojawa provides. Obviously, it's a uniqueness of them that uses magnetic levitation actuators to reduce mechanical friction, sharply increasing low frequency vibration and delivery for deeper bass without blocking your ears. So this is all sound good and perfect. So we won't know until we do the unboxing and trying out. So let's get on with it, shall we? So
yeah. Here we go.
First, take this one out. Moment of truth. That slides up. Voila. And moment of truth. This is the actual bit. Look at that. That's how it looks like. Now let's check out what's the rest of the piece. Ah, look at that. So if you pull it out, ET. It's a USB-C. And this must be the lovely pouch saying Mojawa. So this must be the user manual. Okay, not Bill Pullman. Do you want to actually try it out on your ear or head, whatever, and let us know how it feels like?
Yeah.
The first impression. So here it goes.
It's quite light to start with.
Yeah, obviously.
And then you put it on.
Yep.
And it is comfortable. I mean, it doesn't feel heavy. It feels quite light. And actually, it's more comfortable than having headphones in your ears.
Yeah, a lot of people find that very annoying. Anyway.
So, and also you can hear, you can hear everything. So it's pretty good.
Brilliant. Okay. Okay, because I got a wider head, I have to admit, as we all know, Korean, I could actually feel a bit pushing down here. But yeah, you're right. Okay, I can't feel anything on the back because there's flexibility here. Surprisingly, this bit does not really push in. It's just mainly here. So we got the QR code here. So let's actually scan this by using the phone. Right, so it's asking to add the headphone. So let's click on that. And here it goes, Purra Flow. So as you can see from the button here, mainly, this is all the function that we can expect to press. So power on and off is 2 seconds, 5 seconds for pairing, and also play, pause, next track, previous track, you name it. But regards to volume up and down is the narrow one here to press up and down. So the app itself is pretty straightforward, simple and clear. So we got connection symbol, and that's just showing the actual unit, showing 98% of battery. That's pretty good. And user guide if you need to, and no heart rate is set yet, so you can actually do that by pressing this button here. Sound equalizer as well, if you press that you can go for standard, bass, voice, enhance, and so on. And then if you go back, there's this abnormal heart rate alert as well. So high heart rate is 180. That's quite high actually. Firmware and product serial number as well. So if you press on the top 3 lines here, that's pretty much the settings. So what we're going to do is actually test your heart rate and see whether this works. Okay, so you're going to wear this.
Really?
So
what? Just by putting that on, I can check my heart rate.
I've never seen such thing. Okay, so start heart rate test.
It's just said activity start.
All right, that's cool. Okay, so nothing so far. Hopefully, oh, here it goes. We got 79, 72.
It's quite high, isn't it?
67, okay.
Okay.
65, okay. So it's actually going down.
That's good.
From your surprise reaction, and it's going up again, so 65. So this headset can actually measure your heart rate
from your ears.
That's quite cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if I just press this here.
Yeah. That small button, yeah, on the front.
It says current heart rate 65.
Oh, right. So you can actually...
Recovery zone, yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's
That's
cool.
really cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really cool.
Okay, so the other thing I actually noticed, Bill, right, is that you can actually go for the OpenAI function here. Okay, so if we click on that,
yeah,
basically it's giving you all the status of your heart, health, and so on.
my health.
Yeah, and you can actually ask all the information, type it in here with the information of AI as well. So that's also very cool.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah. So for the Bluetooth connection, just so you know, you have to be connected to two of these. Actually, one I think is for allowing you to use the app. The other one is the constant sound that you're going to get from YouTube and so on. So to transfer these MP3 files that I just downloaded into the Purra Flow is that you just need to connect it to your PC and put this onto the charging bit. You can hear that sound and you're going to see Purra Flow folder here, and then all you need to do is drag this into the actual folder. So I haven't actually used this brother head for a while, but it's a perfect example to see whether our viewers could hear the actual sound coming from this headset. So let's actually place it here. Yeah,
Cool.
so it's all nice and settled here, and what we're going to do is test out the sound. Hello everyone, this is Young from Mojawa Review Tech, and yet again we got not Bill Pullman here.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Yeah, Suika is a AI pocket pet which hatches from an egg into an adult
robot.
pet. Robot.
Yeah, it has an AI capability. Now let's actually turn on the MP3 mode and play the music. So here it goes. Okay, so this is really great. This is a unique feel other than the other headphones I had, and I'm actually thoroughly enjoying it. Basically, this main bit here where the sound comes out, it's vibrating. It's like boom, 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 boom. That's very good. I have to admit though, the treble seems to be a bit weak. It's a bit dull, but it's a very unique experience. This vibration, you get more feel of the beats, entertaining your ear. Back on the Bluetooth mode, not the MP3 mode. So the treble sound is not sharp, obviously it's because it's not directly shoved into your ear canal. So you're going to hear the vibration of the sound going through your skin to your ear canal. So obviously it's not going to be as sharpest as it can be. But the good thing about this is that it gives a huge advantage of the sound, noise to not be leak around you as long as you put into like a regular sort of level. This is actually on a maximum high level. That's why you could possibly hear it from me and from the brother head sample that we just tried out early on. But that's pretty good for privacy, and the beat, I have to say again, that vibration is really good. I think it's going to be very good for when you do workouts and so on. It's going to really encourage you to get on with the beats and run faster, swimming, and etc. So we're going to do the quick microphone test. So you can imagine if someone gives you a call, this is exactly how you're going to hear. Hello, hello. This is Young from Robot Review Tech. Thanks for visiting our channel. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. So the actual music, it sounds very good actually. I could hear the surrounding sound, and also it's very comfortable. I'm actually shaking my head, and you're right actually early on when you said that you can't feel anything. More you run, more you do the workout, you don't actually feel a thing. It's really comfortable indeed, and the music quality, I have to say, it's very good. This is perfect for a workout. I love it.
It's just a shame you can't keep up with me.
Bye-bye. Let's check my heart rate. Alright, so it gives me the heart rate as well.
So what do you think of the professional sports headphones?
Yeah, so the Purra Flow from Mojawa seems to do what it says on the tin. And I'm actually really impressed with the bass sound quality, but I have to be very critical about the sound because I really love good sound quality. The treble seems to be quite modeled up. And Well, then again, how can you actually make a perfect sound? Because this is a bone conducting headphone.
Yeah, I thought it was very good.
Yeah, so, but maybe I'm asking too much. But unless you're actually having an ear canal plugged in sort of headphone, you're not going to get that sort of quality that me as a perfectionist would like to achieve. But it's perfect enough, and the bass seems to really encourage me. The beats that we played seems to really encourage me to get on with the running, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. And the thing that we're both impressed about is the heart rate sensor.
Yeah, that was very impressive.
I mean, I can see that people will be monitoring their progress, and then there might be some extreme circumstances that tell you that this is a bit too much. So it's good to know that it's looking after your health. And also the personalized AI fitness coach seems to be very promising indeed. It's going to encourage you and also give you updates on your progress. So that's really good. It's good to have AI combined with a headset, and it's always impressive to see that's happening, and it's getting better on and on. It's a bit of a shame that I couldn't show the swimming side of it, but I'm actually definitely assured that because it's an IP68, all my sweat is not going to be an issue at all with this headset. In fact, Purra Flow from Mojawa is now available for crowdfunding, so please do check out the link on the video description below, and happy crowdfunding. Make sure you get the great deal out of this great AI headset. Anyway, so I hope this video showed you how cool this Purra Flow is from Mojawa is. But if you have any queries, please do comment below. And thank you very much for watching this video. We are Robot Review Tech. All the best.
Bye-bye. Thanks, guys.
Bye-bye.